So question 1. They gave you some table and they asked you to estimate the mean. To estimate the mean, we need to add 2 columns. One column for the midpoints. It's this column here. But the question is, how do we find these points? The midpoints, you find it by adding 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. That's how I got this one. Similarly, 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5, and so on. Another column is when you multiply the midpoints times the frequency. So you'll have this 2.5 times 8 is 20, 7.5 times 7 is 52.5, and so on. Now, what we'll do next is we add all these down here, and we add all these down here. So you will have 30 and 330. So we just add it. Now, the last point to estimate the mean is divide the 330 by 30. And that gives you 11. And that's your answer. That's 4 marks. Can you imagine? They sometimes ask you a 2 marks or 1 mark question. They tell you, why is it an estimate? Why did we say estimate? Your answer is because we don't know the exact values. This is your full mark. If the question asks why is it an estimate? Because we don't know the exact values. This is important. And that's all for this question. Question 2.